Welcome to Prognozy Capital, where we provide you with the latest market update. On December 5, 2023, the Nifty index showed a positive performance, closing at 20,855.1 with an increase of 168.3 points. There were long buildups observed with an open interest of 8,916 contracts. In terms of Nifty options, there was a buildup in the 7th of December 2023 expiry. The resistance or call OI buildup was seen at 21,000, with an OI increase of 66.99%. On the other hand, the support or put OI buildup was observed at 20,700, with an OI increase of 180.06%. Interestingly, new call writers shifted their positions to 21,000 from 21,000, while new put writers shifted up to 20,800 from 20700. This indicates a bullish sentiment in the market, as the new put writers are showing aggression, suggesting a potential breakout. Moving on to Bank Nifty, it also closed positively at 47,012.25, with a gain of 580.85 points. Short covering was observed with an OI decrease of minus 138.6 contracts. In terms of Bank Nifty options, there was a buildup in the 6th of December 2023 expiry. The resistance or call option OI buildup was seen at 49,000, with an OI increase of 247.39%. Similarly, the support or put option OI buildup was observed at 47,000, with an OI increase of 2,163.15%. New call writers shifted their positions up to 49,000 from 48,000, while new put writers also shifted up to 47,000 from 45,000. Both these movements suggest a bullish setup in the market, indicating a positive outlook for Bank Nifty. Today, the foreign institutional investors, FII, made a purchase of 5,223.51 CR in the cash market. On the other hand, the domestic institutional investors, DII, sold minus 1,399.18 CR in the cash market. This data provides insights into the activity and trends in the cash segments of the market. Let's dive into the FII data analysis for the F&O segments. In the index futures, the FII bought 1,938.47 CR, while in the index option, they sold a whopping 40,399.62 crossing. Moving on to the stocks futures, the FII made a purchase of 920.73 CR, but in the stocks option, they sold 151.16 CR. The FII had a net sold position of 37,691.58 CR in the F&O market. This data sheds light on the FII's activities and positions in the derivatives segments. Let's take a closer look at the FII data analysis in the derivatives segments, specifically in the index. In the index futures, the FII added 16,777 long contracts and closed 4,863 short contracts. As a result, the FII now has a net short position in the index with minus 3,718 contracts, compared to the previous minus 25,358 contracts. Now, let's shift our focus to the FII data analysis in the derivatives segments, but this time in the stocks. In the stocks futures, the FII added 1,606 long contracts and closed 7,090 short contracts. Consequently, the FII now has a net long position in the stocks with 184,520 contracts, compared to the previous 175,824 contracts. Bullish buildups in index options. In the world of index options, FII has closed 17,433 call long positions and 83,587 put short positions. The total number of call long and put short contracts for the day amounts to minus 101,020. Bearish buildups in index options. In index options, FII has closed 148,006 put long positions and added 148,414 call short positions. The total number of put long and call short contracts for the day comes to 408. FII index option analysis. FII currently holds a net position of 195,110 put long contracts, compared to the previous 259,529 contracts. Additionally, they have a net position of 126,565 call long contracts, compared to the previous 292,412 contracts. The option buildups on the short side outweigh those on the long side, indicating limited upside potential. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support and would love for you to join our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. where we share even more exciting content. For more information and updates, make sure to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Once again, thank you for watching.